Students, our next topic is some applications of heating effect of current. Now, according to heating effect of current or Joule's heating effect, H is equal to I square RT. This means if a current I is passed through a conductor of resistance R for a time T, then heat produced in the conductor is H is equal to I square RT. The wires, first application is the wires supplying current to an electric lamp or electric bulb are not practically heated while the filament of the lamp or bulb becomes white hot. We know that in series connections, heat produced due to current in the conductor is directly proportional to its resistance. H is directly proportional to R, because in series connection current through all the devices in series is same and the time for which current passes is also same. Therefore I and T are constant, therefore H is proportional to R. Now the filament of the lamp and the supplying wires, they are in series. Now the resistance of wires supplying current to the bulb is very small as compared to resistance of filament of bulb or lamp. Therefore, as heat produced is directly proportional to resistance, as the resistance of the filament of bulb is very large as compared to resistance of the supplying wire, therefore more heating effect is produced in filament of lamp as compared to supply wires. Therefore filament of the lamp become white hot, where wires supplying current to the bulb, they remain practically unheated. Now second application is the electric iron or electric press, electric heater, heating rod are some of the important household devices which are based on heating effect of current. When current is passed through press or heater or heating rod, they become hot. In all such appliances, the heating element used is nichrome wire, which is a nichrome is a alloy of nickel and chromium. The heating element used is nichrome wire because nichrome wire has high value of resistivity. As R is equal to rho L upon A, if the resistivity is high, then its resistance is high, and heat produced is directly proportional to resistance. Therefore, due to its high resistivity, we select nichrome wire. Its melting point is high. If its melting point is high, therefore if we increase its temperature by a large amount, it do not melt. It can be easily drawn into wires. And fourth, it is not oxidized easily when heated in air. That is why nichrome wire is used as heating element. The electric iron, electric heater, heating rod, they are called high power instrument. As the electric power is P is equal to VI, for a given value of voltage V, P is directly proportional to I. Therefore, the high power electric appliances, they draw large current as compared to low power electric. P is directly proportional to I. The high power electric appliances draw larger current as compared to low power electrical devices. H is equal to proportional to I square, because H is equal to I square RT. Therefore as they draw large current, therefore heat produced H, this will be large. As P is equal to V square upon R, because we have drawn it in previous article as P is equal to V square upon R. Therefore for a fixed value of supplied voltage, for a given voltage V, P is inversely proportional to R. As high power instruments, they have high power, therefore as P is inversely proportional to R, therefore if P is large, then R is small. Therefore resistance of high power instrument is smaller as compared to low electric power instruments.